This week, we would like to introduce one of the important papers for cancer immunology research. Metastasis is the major cause of cancer-associated death. It has been a while since this paper has published, but we think this is of significance when studying cancer immunology and its relation to the tumor metastasis. Also, some results are in line with the previous important knowledges of tumor metastasis. Tumors contain heterogeneous types of cancer cells. What is the worst is that some of these cancer cells are known to have the possibility to leave the original tumor, and go to blood or lymph flow to metastasize to the distant organs. To date, some research suggests that there are two major types of metastasis or hypothesized. One is the form of single malignant tumor-derived cells, which consists of just one single cancer cell. The other is the form of the polyclonal clusters. It consists of at least several different cancer cells with different genetic mutations. In this paper, researchers showed that at least a substantial amount of polyclonal clusters are contributing to metastasis rather than single malignant tumor-derived cells. Mechanistically, it largely depends on NK cells. NK cells are shown to preferentially attack single malignant tumor-derived cells rather than polyclonal clusters. In the paper, some molecular mechanisms are provided, but we still need to have novel method to handle these polyclonal clusters. See you next week.